This is some desert shit right here. This is how we do the desert. That's what happens when hurricanes fall apart. Some crazy fucker driving by. This is what happens when hurricanes fall apart in Mexico. Wow. How's that? What's up, brah? I think it's my daughter. She's in a shit for a hurry. No, yeah. No. Yep, that's my kid. Look at her. Here she comes. There she is. In her shit for a hurry. Fucking badass, niggas! This is how we do the desert!
What?
This is how the desert's done, man!
It's fucking scary.
Woo! That'll curl your pubes. This is all being videoed. How cool is that, huh? It's got a little farther away. It was right on top of us. It had one that let go, made me fart. Oh, nigga, what? That might be a doozy. That's where it rolled up from, right there. I thought it was gonna come over here. Yeah, see, they're getting a little farther away. Is this beautiful or what? Fucking beautiful. This is my kind of weather right here. No. You hate me? I got the flag up. I got the flag up.
You're fucking scary being out here.
Yeah. It's good farther away.
Any farther away?
Yeah. Dude, literally. It was, I mean, literally. It was right there, and it thundered so hard. Yeah! I farted. I felt rain.
Yeah, it's starting to rain. You're fucking crazy, dude. I'm going in here.
What a big wimp. I better get the flag. This whole thing, I've got 7 minutes of video. I'll be a big wimp. I'll be a big old wimp. Wimp. There. I don't want to blow away. Give it a nice down wrap. Here I come holding the metal pole. Yeah! I think it's one for Karen. Look at, see, look at, I got the rug. Look at, I got a candle lit. And I swept the porch. She didn't even know it yet, but I kept the lights off.
I felt like I was driving in a fucking
Woo!
movie. I didn't want to park under a tree.
I like to park in the garage. I told her dad I think I might time out here and see if she gets struck by lightning, but I said he probably stings too much. Alright, nice. Look, over here in the corner, look. Look over there. Seriously? Trapped it. That was a little pigtail. Look at this Trixie's pigtail. She's bowling.
It is lightning like everywhere.
It's badass. Hurricane. Surf's up, brah.
I did a snap.
Did you? Okay. That's something? What?
Nice.
It's not a mop, but you know, it's better than it was. Oh, there went a bird. Big bird. Look at that big bird. See it? Look at that. That's a big ass bird. It's starting to rain. It's beautiful.
Should I move my car?
No, you're fine. Nine minutes of video. I can't post it. Wow! I got that on video, dude. Look at me. Look at me. Look at my face. Nice. How long can you do Snapchats?
Huh?
How long can you put a video on for a Snapchat?
10 seconds.
Oh, mine's 10 minutes.
Well, that's why it's called a snap chat, not a forever chat.
Whatever. My forever ones are better than 10 minutes. Seconds.
Yeah, that's me this morning. Wanting to kill everybody.
I just would have ran him over all over. I'm going to be bailing him out of jail. Yeah, put him here. It was scared the fuck out of him. I put on a mirror.
Yeah.
I want to watch you suck his dick.
Wow.
They're like this.
This shit is crazy. The only rain I saw was on the 138 that was raining. It fucking struck right in front of me on the 15 too. That's where that's why I'm late, because the traffic is stopped on the 15. Because of this.
I used to run on pile drive. I used to drive down this shit in fucking Florida with goddamn fucking triple fucking diesels going 80, no fucking brakes, rain like a cow pissing on a flat rock, and they don't give a fuck. They don't care. Triples. Not doubles, triples. Mm-hmm. And moving. So when those triples went by, it was like Niagara Falls just fucking falling on you. It was horrible. I couldn't see what lane I was in or anything. I like the rain.
Feeling like, hey, you can go and die if you outside.
That's where it started, right over there.
Yeah.
But then it started coming over here, and uh-oh, because I raked. But you see how nice I raked? I raked all out in there.
Building backwards on this.
Yeah, see? Let's see.
I'm gonna play it.
Yeah, see?
It's totally going backwards.
Yeah, that's where it came. I'm sorry.
No, sorry.
That's my arm's tired. That's where it came from. It came from this way.
There wasn't much radar when I got out. Well, it was all down the hill. There wasn't much.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
There was like a big blob like over San Bernardino when I got
I go, yeah. Ooh, that was pretty. I go, yeah, we're not gonna issue it.
This is intense.
Reminded me of the kind of that night when we came back from the mountains.
Dude, that shit was ridiculous.
Kind of it.
We don't want that because our power went out.
It's called a hotel.
It's called fuck you guys.
I turned on the Altry.
Oh, man.
I figured if the power went out, I got some battery operated shit going. That's about my thinking. It's almost like an orgasm. Well, no, it is. It's that smell. If you could just bottle the smell of rain, or bottle the feeling of coming, I'd be rich. Ooh, that was pretty. I'm serious. I'm not being dumb. Then you would have to fucking go find somebody and deal with their stupid shit. You could take a pill and go, yeah, and then you don't need nobody. It's true.
Verizon called me and they're like, you need to urgently call us back.
I get sucked.
Just so you know.
Oh, they're probably trying to get the discount.
You gotta call them back within 24 hours.
Okay.
I have the voice message on there.
Alright, we'll have to be here. It's going away. I mean, well, you know, it's settling down a little bit. It was. Fuck, where'd you see this fucking video I got?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with you video.
Okay, I gotta move my arm down. I'm gonna go in for a little bit, okay? Oh, I'm kind of tired. Oh, I worked my balls off, dude.